Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English Through Story. My name is Jack. I am from United States. Today, we're going to talk about why learning English is so important and how it can make a difference in your life. Learning English has become an essential skill in the modern world. As one of the most widely spoken languages globally, English plays a crucial role in communication, business, travel, and culture. In this article, we will explore how to learn English faster, improve your speaking skills, and why learning English is so important in today's interconnected world. 1. Why learning English is important. In today's globalized society, English is more than just a language, it is a key to success in many areas of life. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone looking to connect with people from different cultures, English is often the common denominator. A global language, English is the official language of over 70 countries and is spoken by more than 1.5 billion people worldwide. It is the dominant language in business, science, technology, education, and entertainment. As a result, knowing English can open doors to job opportunities, international travel, and access to global resources such as academic papers, research, and online content. Increased career opportunities. In many industries, English proficiency is a requirement for employment. Multinational companies, international organizations, and even startups often use English as their primary language of communication. Whether you are pursuing a career in technology, finance, healthcare, or hospitality, English can enhance your employability and give you a competitive edge in the job market. Many high-paying jobs and top-tier positions require candidates to be fluent in English. Improved communication and relationships. Learning English also allows you to connect with people from different cultures and backgrounds. It fosters better communication, collaboration, and understanding, especially in a world where cross-cultural interactions are becoming increasingly common. Knowing English enables you to travel more freely, make international friends, and engage in discussions on global issues. Whether you are in a foreign country or interacting with people from around the world online, English serves as a bridge between you and others. Access to knowledge and resources. A significant portion of the world's knowledge is written in English. From scientific research papers and textbooks to online courses and video tutorials, much of the material available on the internet is in English. By mastering the language, you gain access to vast resources that can help you in your academic, professional, and personal growth. Many universities and academic journals publish their work in English, and top universities around the world teach courses in English. 2. How to learn English faster. Learning English, like any new language, requires time, effort, and consistent practice. However, there are several strategies that can help you accelerate your learning process. Here are some effective methods for learning English faster. 1. Set clear goals. One of the most important steps in learning English is to set clear and achievable goals. Having specific objectives will keep you motivated and help you track your progress. For example, you can set a goal to learn 10 new words every day or to have a 5-minute conversation in English every week. By breaking down your learning into manageable tasks, you can stay focused and make steady progress. You can also set long-term goals, such as reading an English book or watching a movie without subtitles in English. Regularly reviewing and updating your goals will keep your learning path on track. 2. Practice speaking every day. Speaking is often the hardest skill to master in any language, but it is also the most essential. The best way to improve your speaking is to practice regularly. Try to speak English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can talk to yourself, practice with a language partner, or use language exchange apps where you can converse with native speakers. The more you practice speaking, the more confident and fluent you will become. If possible, try to find a language exchange partner, either online or in person. Having regular conversations with someone who speaks English will not only improve your speaking skills but will also help you become more comfortable with the language. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process. So don't be afraid to speak even if you're unsure. 3. Listen to English content. Listening is an important part of language learning, as it helps you become familiar with the rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation of English. Listen to English podcasts. Watch English TV shows, movies, and videos. Or listen to English music. Try to choose content that interests you, as this will make learning more enjoyable and engaging. Start with simpler content and gradually increase the level of difficulty as you improve. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words, their expressions, and the tone of their speech. Repeating what you hear will improve your listening comprehension and help you develop a more natural accent. Subtitles can also be helpful, but try to gradually reduce your reliance on them as you become more confident in understanding spoken English. 4. Read regularly in English. Reading in English is a great way to expand your vocabulary and improve your understanding of sentence structure. Start with simple books, articles, or blogs that match your current level of English, and gradually work your way up to more complex texts. Don't be afraid to look up words you don't know. This will help you expand your vocabulary. Make reading a daily habit, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes. Over time, you will notice improvements in both your reading comprehension and your ability to understand spoken English. Reading aloud can also be beneficial, as it helps you practice your pronunciation and intonation. You can even try reading a passage from a book and recording yourself to hear how you sound and identify areas for improvement. 5. Expand your vocabulary. Building your vocabulary is essential for improving your English skills, especially when it comes to speaking and writing. Learn new words every day and try to use them in context. Flashcards, vocabulary apps, or word lists can help you memorize words more efficiently. Also, make an effort to learn phrases and expressions commonly used in everyday conversations, as they will make you sound more fluent. One effective technique for learning vocabulary is to group words by themes, such as words related to food, travel, business, or emotions. This will help you remember them more easily and make it easier to use them in conversations. The more vocabulary you know, the easier it will be to express yourself in English. 6. Use technology and language learning apps. There are many apps and websites available today that can help you learn English faster. Duolingo, Babbel, Memrise, and HelloTalk are some of the most popular language learning apps. These apps allow you to practice vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and listening skills at your own pace. Additionally, there are platforms like YouTube and language learning blogs that provide free lessons and tutorials. Make use of these resources to practice whenever and wherever you can. One of the advantages of using technology is that it allows you to practice at your own convenience. With apps on your phone or tablet, you can fit in small learning sessions throughout the day. Whether you're on the bus, in a waiting room, or during a break at work. 7. Immerse yourself in English. Immersion is one of the most effective ways to learn any language quickly. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change the language settings on your phone, computer, and social media accounts to English. Watch English videos, read English news, and listen to English podcasts. If you can, Try to travel to an English-speaking country or participate in an English-language community. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you will learn. Even if you can't travel, there are plenty of online communities where you can interact with native speakers. Language exchange programs, online forums, and English-speaking groups on social media are great places to practice and immerse yourself in the language. 3. How to improve your speaking. Improving your speaking skills is often the most challenging part of learning English, but it is also one of the most rewarding. Here are some tips to help you speak more confidently and fluently. 1. Focus on pronunciation. Correct pronunciation is essential for being understood in English. Practice the sounds that are difficult for you, whether it's the th sound or vowel sounds. Listening to native speakers and mimicking their pronunciation will help. You can use tools like Forvo to listen to how words are pronounced by native speakers. 2. Speak slowly and clearly. Many learners tend to speak too quickly when they are nervous, which can make their speech harder to understand. Speak slowly and clearly, especially when you're just starting to learn. This will give you more time to think and form your sentences correctly. As you become more confident, you can gradually speed up your speech. 3. Practice with friends or language partners. One of the best ways to improve your speaking skills is through regular practice. Find language exchange partners or join English-speaking clubs. If you don't have access to native speakers, practice speaking with other learners, as this will still help you improve your fluency and confidence. 4. Be patient with yourself. Improving your speaking skills takes time and effort, and it's normal to make mistakes along the way. Don't be afraid to make errors, they are part of the learning process. Keep practicing, and you will gradually become more fluent and confident in your ability to speak English. Learning English is an essential skill that can open doors to a world of opportunities. By setting clear goals, practicing consistently, and using the right strategies, you can learn English faster and improve your speaking skills. Remember that the key to success in learning any language is persistence and practice. Stay motivated. Immerse yourself in the language, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Over time, you will find that your confidence and fluency in English will continue to grow.